Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today is 27 June. Well, I think daily is still the best time frame we can start. So, good morning, Robert. On daily, you can see 2 days ago we had a dead cat bounce after the drop. Yesterday was a red day. You can see the candle closed. Let's see if this support will hold, like I said 2 days ago, like I said yesterday. Let's see if the support at 60k will hold. A lot of people 2 days ago, when we had the bounce here, well, we'll go to the moon. Well, I warn you that it's a dead cat bounce only. We need more than that for us to become, I don't know, bullish again. Specifically, I need a daily W there. Now, if I'll see a daily W in the long reload zone at the bottom of the range, okay, I could think bounce. Why I'm not so eager to long? Well, I don't see bullish divergence, not yet, on daily. So, we have location, we bleed exactly here, we dropped in the long reload zone, we touched 78.6, we long that, we are long with shark, but I don't see bullish divergence. I don't see enough signs to tell me that, well, we'll bounce again like every time. Okay, morning Bukur. Well, that's the range here, well respected. If we'll lose this level, then we know that 52 is the next one. Pretty simple, nothing new on daily chart at least. Market looks like wants to drop. It's that simple. Looks like it's just barely holding this level and wants to drop. Let's hope it's not the case and will bounce. Total, you can see same similar idea, no? Total too similar in the long reload zone, but give me a clear W. I don't see a divergence. I don't see a W. So I'm forced by my plan to assume that it's a this time I don't have enough reasons to hunt long ideas, to be more aggressive. Yeah? I love the range, you know me, I'm playing the range every time I have the opportunity, but I already played the shark, we are long, but I don't see the strength in the market anymore. Morning, Sebastian. Okay, let's go on a 4-hour chart and let's see what we have on a tradable manner, something we can trade. Well, similar, not even on 4-hour chart I don't see a W. Clear dead cat bounce. Okay, give me a fucking W here and we can think about it. If you want to day trade, okay, you have the swing low, the swing high, draw the long reload zone probably here at 60k. If you'll see a W, you can frame a long setup. For the moment, dead cat bounce and back down. Morning, Ken. Yeah, let's dump the Ponzi. Well, step by step, like I told you multiple times, Ken. Usually the market is not going straight up or straight down. And we are hoping for 52 from 2 or 3 weeks, 1 month ago. The market will take the time to consolidate, to distribute and then we can see 52. We have the limit orders in the altcoins a lot lower. More than happy to see Bitcoin below 60k. More than happy. That will give us a really nice gift, a really nice opportunity to buy cheap altcoins. You don't see that every day. Okay, so on 4-hour chart here, you can draw swing low, swing high, long reload zone. I think it's okay to wait for a W. On 4-hour chart, unfortunately, I don't have anything. We are long, and I think we are okay with that. Nothing we can do here. We didn't touch 1-to-1 here for me to move my stop to scratch or to move my stop aggressively up, so stop loss at the original place. If you want to, I don't know, be more aggressive, you can move the stop loss here at the week low. Now, let's see Ethereum. Maybe it's something different. Well, on the swing trading part, not quite. Similar. dead cat bounce in the resistance, and we are aiming out on 4-hour chart. You can see the M. If you don't have a lot of experience and you don't see easily the M's, just go on the line chart, you'll see them better. You can see M's here, M, another M is forming here. So we are forming an M, and if you go, you can see this trend line. If you go on lower time frame, let's assume 1 hour, well, we kind of forming an M the other side of this trend line, and that means LJ. It's up to you if you want to take that trade. Let's keep it on 4-hour chart. We'll talk about day trading a bit later. Okay, Bitcoin dominance on 4-hour chart, well, it's playing around at this level. We didn't have the strength to do a dead cat bounce, at least here. So that means weakness for Bitcoin dominance. That's good news for altcoins. It's July, almost July. Even if you'll get a drop, usually July and August, they are good months for altcoins. So expect some bounces. I'm not saying exactly from these levels, but usually after the drop, you'll get some nice pumps. Some altcoins you'll see at the end of the summer, they will pump really nice, and then we'll correct again, and we'll repeat the process. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance on 4-hour chart. Nothing we can do here. It's weak. Okay, it's consolidating at the initial W. We formed a new range. We discussed many times this one. Ethereum versus Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. Well, Ethereum is trying, that's for sure. You can see M, downtrend, W, and starting on an uptrend. Location, ugly against this M. Short reload zone. It's trying, at least against Bitcoin, is trying to push higher. If we'll stay long enough here, we can take this level and then close above. Yeah, we can see this AB equals CD. You can see AB, CD, 1 low, 2 low, 3 lows, neckline, breakout, retest. So we have a fucking clear bot setup. If you are trading Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, you had your chance yesterday to play, or even in the morning, you had the chance to play that one. Now it's a bit too late to chase here. DXY, well, I know Ken wants to see DXY at 110, but we have 107 here. I still think we can, this summer, we can attack this level, take the liquidity, and stop here at 107. I don't see for the moment the AB equals CD. AB equals CD indeed is pointing out here, a lot higher. But for the moment we have a range, and I'm okay with seeing DXY here. By the way, guys, if you want for me to take a look at any altcoin, please type the ticker and the time frame you want me to take a look. Yeah? That's why we have the live streams here to do an overview, yeah, to start correctly the day, then to look for ideas, and if someone has any questions, I'll gladly answer. If it's too complicated and will take too much time, well, I could invite you to join in a New York session, and there we have 2 hours, and I think I can explain anything in 2 hours. So for the moment, requests or I don't know, simple questions, if it's such thing exists. Okay, Bitcoin, we took a look, we did the overview. Let's keep it short, let's not overcomplicate things. As you can see on the day trading template, we stopped at 38.2 here. So we had a dead cat bounce. Everyone, every influencer and their mothers are bullish here. Well, we'll go back, we'll go back. This is the bottom. Is the bottom? Come on. And we aimed out, we talked about yesterday. We broke down, and we retested that EM, and we are breaking down. We stopped where? At 38.2. So fib levels well respected. I like that. You can see, look at the fib level, 38.2 here. We bounced, but 38.2, it's an ugly level to trade. usually it's better later 8.2 just to put your hands under your ass and wait for other level. Either will double you out and will bounce and will go and form a bot setup, either will dump. It's not a good level. You don't have an advantage usually at 8.2. But now we are trying to break that level, and the next one it's here at 60k, maybe a bit lower. So playing Stefan's setup here. Now, what is Stefan's setup? Well, it's a simple version of Mountain Man and Shark setup, because I'm playing the other way. I'm playing the Mountain Man and the Shark, and I could decide if I play Mountain Man. Stefan said, well, if I have a break in the structure, I'll play Mountain Man with the stop loss at 100%. That simplifies things. Well, for some people works even better. Okay, so let's wait and see if this level will break. You can see here left we have some support here, small one. If we'll accept below, well, then we can expect 61.8. We'll front run the 61.8 a little bit. I could see that. Why? Because it's a big fat round number here, and look here, the last red candle. So watch out in that area. I don't know if it will happen in the London session, maybe in the New York session. By the way, I remembered. Let's think about today. We have big and important news. Yeah, high impact. Just 1 hour before we'll start the New York live stream. So I don't want to see anyone from our community get liquidated or lose a big chunk of the capital because didn't listen and trade in the news. If you are a scalper, you should be 100% in cash. Yeah? Trading in the news for a scalper is just suicide. At some point in time, you lose the capital. Yeah? With a big position on a lower time frame, high slippage could destroy your account. And I don't see the point to work 6 months, 1 year, 2 years to build a big portfolio on trading, a trading portfolio, to lose it in the news. What's the point? To get depressed? I don't think it's a good idea. Let's keep it simple. Don't trade in the big news. Keep in mind, slippage means you can have a stop loss, a good stop loss in the market. Market will slip beside that one and liquidate you. And nothing you can do in that moment. Just don't put yourself in that situation. It's that simple. Okay, let's go back on the trading part. Well, Bitcoin, if we'll accept here in the long reload zone, I'll watch for a long setup. Another level, important level, if we'll accept here at 61.8 and you see is bouncing but is not holding, is candle body lows, sorry. So 59,200, this will be another area where you can look for a setup. Now let's see Ethereum. Well, kind of similar, no? We bounced, we did a wake-up check here. Well, Ethereum is strong, we'll go to the moon. No, it's just a dead cat bounce. And you can see EM breaking down, retest. And if we'll form this EM, well, we can go even lower. So that's the idea on Ethereum. We can go on 4-hour chart, pretty simple. Where we have support, let's just look left. Well, we wake up check this level and we bounced. But I see some support in the middle of the long reload zone, sweet spot kind of idea. Then at the big fat round number, actually we have support at $3,000. I think someone has some orders there and will front run $3,000. Then we have some liquidity equal lows here at 2,800 and even lower. Huh? For the moment we have, if you zoom out, you have support here. Yeah? So from 3,150 to 3,000 we have some support. Look at this chart on 4 hour. Just look at it. Lower highs and lower lows. How you can say when you have a clear, crystal clear downtrend on 4 hour chart will go to the moon? Well, Ethereum will outperform. What the fuck will outperform? I don't know. I just don't see it. Give me a W, give me a consolidation, give me accumulation or ICAF accumulation, give me something. and okay, I'll join you. But for the moment, I could see clearly, clear channel, clear downtrend. Come on, it's that simple. Let's see where I have that one. I think here. No, not here. Anyway, let's keep it simple. Clear downtrend here. Solana. Well, I'm on 4-hour chart. What do you see here? Similar thing. Lower highs and lower lows. And if I'm going now, even now, at this point in time, I'm going 1-hour chart. What you can see here? What is trying to do here? Come on. Look at the M's. It's barely holding the level. I fucking tried to short. I'll be honest. I tried to short the Solana here before I started the live stream. And I didn't update the Binance futures market. And they didn't allow me to do that. I have to go to put some Bitcoin, get some credits, and then short. Huh? So I'll join Stefan on Maxi or Bybit and so on. I stayed until the last moment on Binance, but well, I don't know. I'll go where the fees are lower and liquidity bigger. It's that simple. I don't have a problem with liquidity on Binance. I had a problem with fees lately, last couple of months. They got too greedy. Okay, so look at this one. What do you see here? Well, I don't know. If you take this swing low, well, you have a dump chaser zone. If you take this one, you have a long, short reload zone, and so on. Bearish divergence in the move up. It's barely fucking holding. If Bitcoin will sneeze, this one will go down. It's that simple. So, Stefan, if you want to frame a setup here, or you want to wait for the breakdown and then to retest, it's up to you. But I clearly see two of you setups here. So if you want to give something to VIP, this is an idea. It's not a financial advice, Stefan. So just if you see your setup, play it. Okay, that's Solana. BNB, well, similar. But this one wants to show us a head and shoulder pattern. 4-hour chart, well, downtrend. You, in these cases, when I have a clear downtrend, you have to prove me, show me that is bullish. I said it a couple of days ago. Show me a W, show me a breakout, show me a retest, and I'll buy it. I'll become bullish, but show me some proofs, show me some confidence. For the moment, just a dead cat bounce in a fucking downtrend. Yeah, I think altcoins will bounce, but I don't see the bounce yet. We can see altcoins drop another 10%, 20%, and then bounce in July and August. And make 10x from that low. But from that low, not from here. So you can get liquidated if you are longing here. A market will drop and then will bounce and do nice things without you. Okay, Doge. Well, Doge kind of on higher time frame had something. For the moment, I see sideways on Doge. Even equal lows here, classic one. This one is like is telling you here. You can see almost at the same level. Building liquidity. Someone said, okay, let's trap these stupid fuckers. Well, Matic. I have to go on 4-hour chart on Matic. I don't see the point to stay on 1 hour and lower. I need to zoom out. Look left. If you want to hunt on Matic, you have equal lows here. You have a lot of things, but you can wait for the same pattern to emerge here on Matic. Yeah. You have the good location, probably some bullish divergence forming. Okay. Wait for the W. Yeah? Stay on 4-hour chart, 12-hour chart. Wait for the W. Will take some time, but good location to hunt a swing trade or even a position trade on Matic. Yeah? I'm not talking about the dollar cost averaging. It's definitely a good level. I'm not talking about little old lady. It's definitely a good level. I'm talking not about a position trade with a stop loss. Yeah? So wait on 12 hours, daily chart. Let's go on daily. Yeah? And wait for a daily W. Similar to what we had last time. Yeah? Look at the W. Breakout, retest, another W. And look at the result. You are hunting similar things here. Well, let's take the trader's trade here. Well, let's take this W, the last one. Let's put the stop loss at the lows, all the lows, and let's see what risk to reward we got. Well, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, woo, 39. That's what you want to hunt if you're a position trader. Yeah, you want to hunt high risk to reward. You'll take a trade from time to time, but you want to be profitable, really profitable, to compensate the lack of time and you don't have so many trades. It's doable. You can do it if you don't have time, if you have a business, if you have a daily job. You can zoom out. A lot of people want to trade on 5-minute chart, but they don't have the emotional strength. They don't have the power to stay on 5-minute chart. They don't have the time. They want, but that's it. So that's why I recommend mostly zoom out. Go on position trading. Go on swing trading. Zoom out. The lowest time frame should be 4 hours. They don't like what I'm telling them, but that's the reality. Okay, that's Matic. FET on daily. Well, I didn't like FET until now. I don't like it now neither. We had this big W. I suspect a fake out here. I see bearish divergence here. Look at the OBV. Yeah, confirmed bearish divergence. Confirm here again. Confirm bearish divergence on MACD. But I hate this one on OBV. That's ugly, and it's confirmed. The merges here. Soon enough we'll have another ticker, another supply. And then I want to see a consolidation. And then I want to see the bottom. And then I'll do something. Here is too high for my taste. I'll be honest. Yeah, it was buyable at 1.1. I saw Stefan, Miku, and other people buying it. Not a mistake. I decided that is not for me and I'll buy it lower. If will come lower. If not, next bus. I have some. So more than enough for me. Dimension. Well, look at this one. Stefan. I know it's not nice from my side, but look at dimension. No, look at dimension. Yeah, the best thing since hot water. Well, everyone should decide, and when you see this scenario, and Miku said it multiple times, I said it in a different way. When you see something like this with staking and everything, you have to decide if we'll go to the all-time low. It's still profitable for you to keep that on staking, or it's more profitable to sell it and buy it at the bottom. I don't know. It's up to you. That's not for me to say. No? Because a lot of people said here, well, let's take, we'll go to the moon, we'll go to the price discovery back at below 50 cents. I don't see the bottom yet. A bottom will form in time and will mean daily, at least daily double. For the moment, price discovery to the downside. That doesn't mean you should not dollar cost average this one. Well, it's a good level. Alt, similar. Long reload zone, I don't see the bottom. Joe, similar. Everything looks kind of similar. Manta looks a bit different. You can see Manta is holding a little bit this level. You should watch Manta for something. Maybe we'll have something. This one, okay. That get bounce. Kind of a bearish flag here. AB equals CD, that is scary. An AB equals CD here is really scary, but it's possible. Jupiter, well, you know me. I'll not buy Jupiter here. I want Jupiter to do the same thing like Dimension. Yeah, we need more for Jupiter to drop to that level, but if we'll go lower, I'll buy it. Here, I don't want to buy it. We bought some Jupiter here at 50 cents. Now it's at 70 cents. Why I want to buy it higher? No. Okay, Aevo. I had a trade here. Last time I checked, I was still in the trade. Or maybe not. Well, I'm still in the trade here. Barely. I tried it. Didn't work. I'll take my loss and wait on the sidelines. Not. Well, not is looking on lower time frame. You can see is looking similar with Solana on 1 hour chart. Is looking better than the rest. Stefan set up here on the long side, not on the bearish side. Broke the structure. You can see if we'll go back in the long reload zone, it's a buying opportunity on this motherfucker. At least in my opinion. Reverse. Yeah, so you can see here, even front running a little bit, 61.8. I don't know, it's up to you. But it's a different chart here. You can see it. Okay, EM'd out. The target for this one will be in the long reload zone. Wait for a W, and this one at least proved us some strength. Okay, that's the day trading part. Not too many things we can do. Some potential ideas indeed, but be extra careful because we have news. Big news in the New York session, just before the New York session. Let's see the chat. Maybe we have some questions. So Stefan is saying something about e-gold. Well, I talked about e-gold too many times. I'll look at e-gold on well, weekly chart. Let's put a daily chart. Let's see for e-gold. I don't know if I have something on this template. Well, I don't have, but well, you can see. I don't see on daily. I don't see the bullish divergence yet. So for a trade, I don't know. Maybe on lower time frame. The problem is that it's a good level to dollar cost average to use little old lady. If I'll put the, I don't know, weekly chart, you'll see it even better. I posted this chart. Look at the chart. This is how you want to see the chart, testing the initial W, weekly W. Print this image and put it on your front of your screen to see it. Yeah, you can see W breakout and retest. That's a good level to dollar cost average. If ugly things will happen, we'll go to $20, and the last one I want to buy it, it's at $10. I'm not saying from this point in time, I'm not saying it's probable, I'm saying it's still possible. So I even got on all Telegram group and I post them this chart because I said I'll do it. Yeah? Now I'm starting to get interested in gold. Looks nice. But on weekly chart. Other question? Ondo. Ondo. Let's take a look at Ondo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's damn strong. It's still an uptrend. Let's see something here. You can see something here, Bucur. By the way, if you want access on the Romanian channel, just answer to my DM, Bucur. You can see something here. It's potential, but it's there, and it's on weekly chart. Yeah? Higher high here, lower high here. Something is not right. Don't chase here. For the moment, it's stronger. That doesn't mean it will be forever. Still not a good idea to chase. If you have a position, okay, take some profit, keep the rest. If you want to buy it, well, similar thing. Nothing I could tell you. Well, this is the pump chaser zone here. Will probably bounce. Is bouncing now from $1. You can see it. If we lose this level, then here in the long reload zone, and then you should wait. This one looks like it's nice and shiny for the moment, like everything else before him. But at some point in time will not be so nice and so shiny, and we'll have to go and do the same thing, like go and look on Dimension. So don't be too eager to buy it here, Bucur. Well, I don't see any requests. Maybe I should look a bit better. Okay, I don't see requests. Maybe I'm not looking. I see something from Crypto Traders Arena. That's Stefan on the cast on. Stefan knows to do his own analysis. I don't want to take any request from Stefan. I told him that he's not allowed to ask any requests. He asked all the questions for 10 lives. Okay, total 2, total 3. Let's take a look at total 3 if you total. Okay, total 3. Why do you think Ken is different? Well, it's not different. Total 3 confirmed the yen, but is closer to the support area. Ken, we can bounce here, make a nice W and push higher. Okay, so total 3 here, AB equals CD completed. Who is old enough or from TRI knows that Wednesday shows with Brian Beamish, I was talking about this fucking chart. 2022, I was talking about this range and I said, okay, we'll break, we'll retest. And you can see what happened. Nothing special, just classic charting. Yeah, we didn't touch 61.8 here. Well, looks weaker, but it's summertime. This chart will probably recover. At least in my opinion, Ken. Okay. We talked about 30 minutes. I don't see any other requests. Someone said again something about Neo. I remember you asked me once, or it's the second time you asked me about Neo. Someone asked me about Neo. Anyway, a couple of days ago, and I was at the end of the live stream. Well, nice location, that's for sure. I don't need to draw any fib, anything. This is at the bottom. Yeah, you can see the weekly W, bullish market structure. EM in the top, probably bearish divergence. Classic. Yeah, look at here. Yeah. Let's put the classic textbook. You can learn. Learn from this chart. Move higher with bearish divergence, EM top, EM confirmed, gap, and down. Retest, you can see, okay, patience. Wait for a retest. You got the retest of the W, the EM, sorry, and then down with gaps. And down, and down, and down more, and even more. No W, no clear W. Well, now you can see the W's here. From June, from last year, you can see some W's forming on OBV. Confirmed already on weekly chart. That's good. So you have location, look left. You have indicator confirmation W's. Well, to be a classic setup, you need a W in the price. You don't have that. Actually, you have an M. Either you are patient for that W, either you start a dollar cost averaging plan. Well, yeah, crypto, it's not they are respecting well. It's a lot more noise on crypto. It's a lot more volatility, Richard. That's not a bad thing. No? If you want level TA well respected, well, go on stocks. If you want volatility and more opportunities, join crypto. Things will not stay the same forever. At some point in time, a crypto will behave exactly like stocks. And Neo, it's in a good area. I'm not looking at the fundamentals. Fundamentals, I don't know. I didn't look at this one. I know this stock, but I don't remember the fundamentals. You should go and do your own. How many stocks are in the market? What insiders do? If they are profitable or not. Well, I could zoom on daily, but on daily, what I could see a trade here. I could see it from weekly, Richard. And I'll show you what I'm seeing. Well, let me show you something. You have a trade, W. If you have a bullish divergence, even better. Well, you don't have bullish divergence here, but you have indicator confirmation because RSI made the same W like the price action. So if you want to trade, keep in mind the stocks are open for a short period of time every day, and in the weekend they are closed. So for a trader, you cannot put a hard stop loss. So W, breakout, retest, the trade is there. You have a gap. And if you look left, let's see, maybe we have another gap. Well, look at this one. And if you are lucky and the market will not drop here, this is the W in the long reload zone, and that's your target. Either highs here if you are greedy here. That's the first clear gap here, and support and resistance level. Here market will probably stop. Well, that's at 8-1. It's profitable? I think so. It's better to dollar cost average here and be an investor? I think so. They just close the gap here, on this gap to the upside. Okay. The lower gap, well, the lower gap is getting filled, and yeah, stocks have gaps everywhere. You have to understand that. You cannot put so much weight on the gaps on stocks when you know that they are closed every day. Okay, so guys, let's call it a live stream. We talked about more than half an hour. I'll join Stefan on VIP. By the way, if you want to join VIP, I think it's a good moment. It's not cheap for a lot of you, but it's a lot of work, so the price is more than fair, to be honest. I saw some people asking about VIP. Well, join our community, DM Stefan. Stefan will check if you are able to respect some things, and you can join VIP. If you are a completely beginner, no business to stay in VIP, because you will not be able to follow and make money. The purpose of VIP is to help you to make money, not to do anything. Okay, guys, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session or tomorrow with the same video, same live stream. Bye bye.